Hi there, welcome back to Cuban Slang channel and welcome back to another Cuban Slang lesson. In today's lesson, you're gonna learn this number of Cuban Slang abbreviations we use in our daily speech. And you probably think, what's the goal for that? Well, with this lesson, my intention is to help you achieve 3 goals. Number 1, to learn the most common abbreviations Cuban people use in our daily speech. Number 2, practice the Cuban accent by linking words and replacing the S sound with the Spanish J sound. And number 3, all of this is gonna help you to understand a little bit better Cuban accent and slang. And this video is for you if you are a Spanish learner, you are curious about Cuban accent and slang, if you're planning to travel to Cuba, expand your vocabulary and practice Spanish with Cubans, if you have Cuban friends and you want to understand them better because maybe they speak with you in Spanish. So if you're ready, grab your notebook and your pencil to write these abbreviations down, and that way you can practice. Let's get started at once. A very important feature of Cuban slang accent is that we replace the S sound with the Spanish J sound. I explained to you more about this in this video. Today we're gonna practice it. I'm gonna read the phrases or the examples that I bring you just as I speak to my friends and to my family, so that you can listen to me and imagine how fast I speak in my daily speech. So I invite you to pay attention to the vowel sounds, how I link vowels, how I link one word to another, and how I replace the S sound with the Spanish J sound. Alright, so the first abbreviation I bring you today is this one. Espérate, espérate. It means espérate in English, wait. So, for example, imagine you're about to go out with your friends or family and they are, hurry up, it's gonna be late. And then you're still getting dressed or putting on your makeup and you say, espérate un momento, todavía me estoy vistiendo. Or, todavía me estoy maquillando, espérate un momento. And we also use this phrase in another context. Imagine someone approaches to you and starts talking about someone else, and maybe in that conversation a third person's reputation is involved and you don't care about that. So you stop that person and say, espérate un momento, eso no me interesa. The second abbreviation I bring you today is this one, escucha. It means escucha, listen. We use this abbreviation very usually in its simple form. So for example, if you need to tell something to someone, you say escucha. Or if you need to talk about something very serious with someone else, you say escucha pa acá. Escucha pa acá. It means listen to me, I need to start talking to you about something very serious. Another very common phrase that you're gonna hear is escucha pa eso or escucha pa allá. If you translate it literally, it means listen to that. But what we actually mean is can't believe it. And this phrase is a way of expressing you're surprised by something you heard. Escucha pa aquello. Can't believe it. Another abbreviation that we use very usually is na. It means nada, nothing. For example, imagine you're looking for your scissors and you ask your mom, Mom, have you seen my scissors? And she says, they are on the table. And then you go to the table, but you don't see anything. And you say, aquí no hay nada. There's nothing here. Or when someone is asking you about something and you have no idea what he's talking about, so you don't know what to answer, and you say, yo no sé nada, yo no sé nada, I have no idea about it. I don't know a thing. If you're still watching this video, it means that you like this video. So don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notifications so that you won't miss out my latest videos. Alright, let's move on with the video. Okay, another one is ma. Instead of más, it means more. For example, imagine it's noon, it's very hot, and you're really thirsty. So you get to your friend's house and you ask for some water or a glass of water. Then you drink that water, but you need some more because you're really thirsty. And then you say, echa un poquito más, echa un poquito más. And you're literally saying, pour a little bit more of water in my glass, please. And something that you may catch here is that Cuban people are not used to say por favor. We always try to say it like in an imperative form when we are near from closer people, okay? Our friends, our family, we're not used to say por favor, but it's very common. Another example would be when your mom cooks a delicious soup and you already ate, but you're still willing to eat a little bit more of soup. But you know that there are more people in your family and you ask your mom, "Ay, ma, is there more soup?" And another example would be when you buy a good product that works really well to you. Then you're willing to obtain more of that product and you ask the seller, "¿Tienes más? ¿Tienes más?" So if you listen to me, I don't say tienes más. I'm saying tiene, the Spanish J sound. Tiene más? Tienes más? And I'm basically asking, do you have more? Do you have more of the vitamins you sold me? The next one is pa. It means para. If you translate it into English, it has two meanings. For someone, or towards somewhere. For example, imagine I'm given some gifts and I say my friend, "This is for you." So the way I'm gonna say that in Cuban slang would be, "Esto es para ti." Esto es para ti. However, if someone asks me, "Where is your niece?" I would say, "Ella fue para la escuela." She went to school. Another one, ta, is the abbreviation for está. It means is. For example, I'm drinking some soft drink or some juice and I say, "Está bueno," it's good. But if someone tells me about a new change is gonna be in our society and I think that's gonna be good, I would say, "Está bueno eso." Está bueno eso. Está bueno eso. So I link the two vowels, o, e, está bueno eso. Está bueno eso. That's good. When you agree with someone, you say, "It's okay." In Cuban slang, that would be, "Está bien." Another one, estoy, the abbreviation for estoy. It means I am or I'm. You can walk one more step because you're really starving. You say, "Estoy muerto del hambre." Or if you're a girl, you would say, "Estoy muerta del hambre." Or if I'm gonna speak a little bit more fluent in Cuban slang, I would link the O to the E. I won't pronounce that D. So I would say, estoy muerto el hambre. Estoy muerto el hambre. Okay, the next abbreviations are combined. One is pa' acá. It's the abbreviation form of para acá, and it means hacia acá or hacia aquí. For example, imagine you are having a very good party and you want to invite one of your friends. So you call him and say, "Oye, ven pa' acá, que esto está bueno." And you're basically saying, "Come here, this is a very good party, we're having a lot of fun." And the last combined abbreviation for today's video is pana. Pana is the abbreviation for para nada. I was thinking about the meaning of this abbreviation and my conclusion is that it has two meanings for no special reason. For example, so imagine you're having a small party at home with a few of closer friends and you have a teen child who is very shy, so he stays in his bedroom, but you want him to spend time with you and your friends. So you call him and he approaches to you and asks, "¿Pa qué me llamaste?" And you say, "Pa nada, pa que estés aquí con nosotros." "What did you call me for?" "Oh, for no special reason. I just want you to be here and spend time with us." Another meaning that I catch at all. For example, imagine you bought a rechargeable bulb to light your house up at night in case of a blackout, and your friend knows it and wanna buy something similar, and he asks you, "¿Está bueno el bombillo recargable que compraste?" And you say, "Eso no sirve para nada." Is the rechargeable bulb you bought good? It doesn't work at all. But luck. Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. Did you learn something new? It was really helpful for you? I hope it was. See you in my next videos. Bye bye!